Life, when depends on the natural resources for survival and sustenance, it becomes an indispensable challenge to preserve such gifted resources. Thanks to the climate change, one of the most critical global challenges of our times. This is where the Gujarat Ecology Commission, GEC, steps in, with a vision to protect, preserve and cherish the Mother Nature.
Mandate of GC was to carry out different ecological studies related to different type of ecosystems in Gujarat and to do sustainable coastal management. In this endeavor, GC has done a lot of good things in past and it's trying to catch up with the changing scenario globally.
Gujarat Ecology Commission, GEC, was established in 1992 by the Forest and Environment Department, the Government of Gujarat. For over 3 decades, it has been working for environment conservation, serving the citizens and assisting the government through research and studies. GEC is the first environmental commission set up in India for ecological interventions, and it was incepted to work towards sustainable development of the state through environmental upgradation and ecological management. Since then, it has been instrumental in pioneering several initiatives through projects, research and studies, and contributed towards the growth of Gujarat. Several sustainable actions for ecological and economic advancement have been done for the state, especially through restoration efforts, biodiversity management, coastal zone interventions, knowledge creation, and environmental awareness. In the past 30 years, GEC, as an apex body, has gone through a remarkable journey in terms of implementing a comprehensive set of policies and programs, such as innovative restoration programs, various coastal conservation projects, environment action programs, eco-village model, theme parks, awareness on combating desertification, sensitizing a campaign on rising sea levels, mangrove awareness yatras, various environmental days celebration, capacity building workshops, climate change workshops, street plays, radio programs and telecasts. More importantly, these projects were intact with its core objectives: rehabilitation of degraded ecosystem, arouse ecological awareness and environment communication, restoration of ecologically degraded areas to ensure ecological health of Gujarat, creating institutions and organizations to work on ecological issues, act as state's single umbrella for accreditation of NGOs by linkages for funding environment action projects. 30 years to glory. A sneak peek. 1995. The restoration of Banni grassland under Border Area Development Program, BADP. 1997. The ecological profile of Aravali district and Sabarkantha Taluka and eco-regions of Gujarat. 1999. Development of State Environment Action Plan, SEAP, funded by the World Bank. 2001. A community-based mangrove restoration model in REMAG project that was funded by ICEF. More than 4,000 hectares of mangrove plantation was done with community at the core. 2004. Selected by the Ministry of Environment and Forest, the Government of India, as the ENVIS hub to work upon the status of the environment-related issues of Gujarat. 2005. Preparation and dissemination of the State Environment Report. 2007. Introduction of mangrove restoration along the coast of Gujarat with PPP model. 2010. beginning of the ICZM project, funded by the World Bank, acted as SPMU for the project, executed Green Action for National Dandi Heritage Initiative, Gandhi Project, for the overall development and conservation of the environment of Dandi, Navsari and its surroundings. 2011, Development of State Environment Reports. 2012, introduced Environment Action Fund to support innovative action-based projects. 2014, initiated preparation of oil spill contingency plan for Gujarat and the integrated coastal zone management plan for the Gulf of Kutch. 2015, sensitized 51,797 people in line with Swachh Bharat mission on solid waste management and sanitation in 560 villages. 2016, introduction of Eco Village project in Dhaj. It was made to instill eco-friendly practices in farming and community-based activities in order to make village self-reliant and resourceful. 2017, moving towards establishing nation's first marine oceanarium. 2018, commissioning of 70 MLD STP at Jamnagar, becomes a registered society. 2019, smart eco-village projects in 112 villages, taking forward sustainable village development, mangrove plantation in over 15,000 hectares spread across 16 districts of Gujarat. 2020, Shivrajpur Beach declared as the Blue Flag Beach. The beach placed itself on the global map as one of the cleanest beaches in the world. Beginning of Children Nutrition Park at the Statue of Unity, envisioned by the Honorable Prime Minister himself, with a theme, Sahi Poshan, Desh Roshan. This nutritional park is one of its kind to make children curious and excited. 2021, livelihood to the local fishermen and coastal communities through sustainable beach development, strengthening livelihood through Smart Eco Village project during pandemic. 2022, Gujarat Environmental Conclave, bringing together practitioners, policymakers and citizens. Swachh Sagar, Surakshit Sagar, Clean Coast, Safe Sea campaign, a 75-day citizen-led campaign to improve ocean health through collective actions. GEC has also undertaken other major projects in addition to these, glorifying its in-depth legacy. Nature Trail. To understand the overall ecosystem, GEC proposed Nature Trail for viewing mangrove ecosystem and coral ecosystem. This trail was conceptualized to improve viewing experience, protecting the habitat and influencing the viewer's mind. Prakriti Ki Pathshala, an exciting nature awareness program for school children. GEC's Prakriti Ki Pathshala has educated, nurtured and entertained the young minds effectively. Mishti extensively participated in the Honorable Prime Minister's Mangrove Initiative for Shoreline Habitats and Tangible Incomes, Mishti scheme that promoted development of 540 square kilometers mangroves across 11 states and 2 union territories. Bird watching experience, a wonderful birding tour organized by GEC, combining areas rich in bird life with bird-friendly places to stay, offering immersive bird-watching experiences. Narayani Workshop. A one-day workshop was conducted by GEC on nature education, new challenges and strategies at Narayani Heights, Gandhinagar. Various stakeholders have participated like nature educationalists, conservation community groups, scientists and forest officials. Awareness camps and workshops. GEC has conducted a couple of awareness camps and workshops, advocating environmental conservation and ecological sustainability, mainly for the coastal communities. Eco Way, of lifestyle. One more extensively researched project by GEC to provide an eco-way of lifestyle to the villagers. It was initiated to promote best practice with natural resources on sustainable manner and generate self-employment. The Blue Flag Beach Glory. After the great success of Shivrajpur Blue Flag Beach, Dwarka, GEC is all set to launch its Blue Flag Beach Glory at Dandi, Mandvi, Kutch, Ahmedpur, Mandvi. These landmark projects and initiatives have been thoroughly implemented by GEC's dynamic heads within their respective tenure. The Commission's legacy continued through their in-depth knowledge and visionary leadership. Leading the way ahead, the current Member Secretary, Shri Mahesh Singh, has been carrying the GEC's mission with a comprehensive approach, envisioning projects through PPP model, community awareness programs, and setting up 3 more Blue Flag beaches.
This year we have planned for another 3 beaches to be declared as Blue Flag. Already work is going on. One is in Ahmedpur Mandvi, that is in Gir Somnath district. Other is in Dandi, that is in Navsari district, and third is Kutch Mandvi, that is in Kutch district. So these are some activities where GC is trying to move ahead. Not only that, we are also collaborating with different industries as well to take ahead the PPP model program in future. Carbon sequestration also. It's going to be one of the major activity of GC, how to reap the benefit of carbon sequestration and how these benefits should be shared among the different stakeholders.
GEC's strength lies in its multidisciplinary team of professionals including foresters, ecologists, environment engineers, socio-economists, environment planners, communication professionals and computer specialists. With such dynamic and knowledge-driven team, GEC has been moving ahead with its work towards pollution control and overall ecological management. From vulnerable future to inspire and nurture, GEC looks ahead with a heightened sense of urgency and conviction. In doing more and bigger through collective power of ideas, with utmost care of the ecosystem, proven to be a torchbearer. 30 years of Gujarat Ecology Commission. A remarkable journey indeed.